So, which were our 5 best-selling telescopes leading up to Christmas 2025, and that's throughout November and December. It was very close. In equal third place we have the Acuta Voyager Mach 80, and out of the current Acuta Mach range, you could say that this was the original. Comes as with all the Mach range, they come with their own little carry case. So 80mm aperture, extremely compact design, comes with 2 eyepieces of 40 and 80 magnification that you can upgrade if you want something more wide angle or higher power down the line. Everything you need really to get started, and it will fit on any photographic tripod as well as astronomical ones. And also in equal third place we have, oh, it's here, the Acuta Voyager Mach 90 Fast, and so slightly bigger aperture for increased light gathering resolution, so you'll be able to see fainter objects and planet and the moon in more detail under favourable conditions. Still very compact scope, as you can see, with the Mach suits off lens design, and well, lens and mirrors, where the light comes down, hits the primary mirror at the bottom, comes back, hits the secondary mirror that you can see there, then back down there to the diagonal and eyepiece, and so it's a very long focal length telescope in a compact design. This one, it comes with just one eyepiece of 58 magnification, but it's a very high quality one, so you can add something like a 10mm one down the line if you want to increase magnification. And this one is actually the dovetail bar here, it's actually side mounted, so imagine it there turned round so it can go onto astronomical mounts, but as you can see it will go on a photographic mount tripod, which I'll come on to shortly. And all you have to do is just turn the diagonal round, adjust the finder scope, and as you can see, perfect setup. And with the fast versions, the only thing, like the focuser, rather than the 2 wheels at the bottom, are on the side, but I think that's a good thing, because if the focuser traditional Mach suits are one that's here, you might catch the handle, but not in this case. The 2 focus, you can be looking through, moving the tripod, and your hand is coming nowhere near the handle. So I think actually just as well suited to photographic tripods. Talking of which, and I'll probably go into this tripod in a bit more detail in a later video, this is the Olivon TR-162. It's, spoiler alert, our best-selling tripod of 2025. No other tripod came close. It is ultra stable for this sort of use, and as you can see, it moves so silky smoothly with that fluid head. Wherever you let go, it stays, providing you just get the tension right. Absolutely delightful tripod for photographic, bird watching, astronomy, even looking at ships at sea. Absolutely perfect, sturdy tripod. And if you do put a camera on the back, you can actually slide it forwards and backwards on the mount. And so that's the Acuta Voyager Mach 90 with optional tripod in equal third. So in second place on its own, the Evergreen Skywatcher Flex Tube 130. I think this could have won it, but we simply ran out of stock. Simple compact scope that uses the same optics, the 130mm parabolic mirror, as used with many of Skywatcher's more higher priced telescopes, but it comes in a more basic simple tripod that you can either put on a tabletop or you can put on the floor if you wanted to maybe sit down, on a camping stool, for example, and so you don't have to put it on a table. And you can actually, it does have a dovetail bar, so you can put it on a astronomical tripod as well. And so it comes with the same optics and the same eyepieces as you get with many Skywatcher scopes. Perfect all-rounder, absolutely brilliant for deep sky objects from a urban location, and a very popular telescope. And so in equal first place we have the, very similar to this one, the Acuta Voyager Mach 80 Fast, and this one comes with 42.5 and 68 times magnification eyepieces. Sensible ones to get you started, but you can add different ones further down the line. And so yeah, they do cost I think it's about £20 less than the Mac 90, so very, very affordable, you know, and coming well under £200. And equal first place bestseller. It had a bit of a sprint finish, this one, leading up to Christmas, and it's the Acuta Voyager Mac 70. There's a bit of theme going on here, isn't there? And this one is the only one of the Mac series, the Acuta ones, that comes complete with its own tripod, but extremely compact setup. In fact, I'd imagine if you got the box delivered to your home, as a lot of our customers have, you'll think you've got the wrong thing, because this is what it comes in. Extremely compact, and that in there is a full-size tripod, lightweight, by the way, you can upgrade later, but the head on it is very, very good quality, and it comes with 50 and 100 magnification eyepieces, which is more than enough sensible magnification to get you started in astronomy. And ultra portable, as you've just seen, just 3.5 kilograms in total, if you wanted to maybe put it in the back seat of a car going out to a nice dark sky location. And so that's a quick rundown of our best-selling telescopes for Christmas leading up to 2025. So maybe in a couple of months I'll give an update to see if the Acuta Voyager Mac range are leading the way once more. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.